Hello guys, and welcome back to your girl's channel. So as you can see from the title of the video, we are going to be testing out the Fenty Beauty foundation. Yes, I know I am hella late, maybe about 2.5 years late. I don't know when it released, 2016, 2017, whatever. But here, let me explain. So when it first launched, I tried Rihanna's foundation and I absolutely hated it. My skin was mad oily at the time, so it just wasn't sitting right with me. Something about it wasn't cooperating with my skin, so I hated it. I didn't want to do a review or wear test or whatever because at the time I knew I couldn't handle the hate, so I wasn't going to upload a test review. So I just decided to keep my mouth shut and return my foundation. So here we are a year later, maybe. I don't know how long it's been. It's been a minute. Here we are a year later or something, and your girl decided to give this foundation another try because as I'm getting older, my skin is changing. Now I'm more on the combination, and in the winter I'm normal. So right now it's November, my skin is normal, but in the summer only my T-zone, not even my T-zone, only my nose gets oily at this point. So I decided to give it another try. So if you want to see my wear test Fenty Beauty foundation review, please keep on watching. Featuring my broken nail. So I remember one of the things that I didn't do when I tried this foundation the first time is I didn't wear a primer. So I'm gonna put on my favorite primer. If you don't believe in primer, please sis, get your life, because primers are not a scam. I personally don't believe they're a scam, because once you find that good ultimate primer, your foundation game will change. So I'm going to be using the Lancome Le Base Pro. This is a silicone based foundation, and I'm mostly just going to put this in my T-zone, and then whatever's left I'm just going to disperse it out. Okay, done. Another thing I didn't like about this foundation is that it made me look gray, because I do not color correct with any of my other foundations, even though I know I should. So today I'm just going to color correct really quickly using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Next, we are going to move on to the foundation. I got a sample because one, I'm broke, and two, I don't have the patience to go and return it if I don't like it. So I just kept it on the safe side and got a tiny little sample. We gonna keep it pushing. So I got the color 430. This is the color that I like the most. So we're just gonna go in and put this on our face. This foundation is very liquid. I don't remember that. Another thing that I remember I did was I blended it in with my beauty blender, and I've come to realize that my beauty blender sucks up a lot of the foundation. So I'm just gonna go in with my brush. Does it have a fragrance? Does Fenty Beauty have a fragrance? The color may seem off, but last time I used it, it oxidized like a mug. We're just not gonna pay attention to the color right now. Yeah, we're not gonna pay attention to the color. Nope. This said it was a more neutral. Interesting. I don't see that many neutrals. I see the oliviness, but I also see a little bit of gold in there. You know, a little bit of warmth. I don't know. Yeah, this definitely has a fragrance. Is it supposed to have a fragrance? Or is mine like defunct? Is it like a bad sample or something? I don't know. I can't believe I remember this much from when I tried it. Maybe it's because Riri. Ooh, child, Riri is a god sent. God placed her on this earth just to shake it up. God was like,
everyone's a little bit too calm down there. I'm gonna give him more Rihanna.
And he did. And now we got Riri. She is an icon. Oh, I'm gonna get dragged for calling her an icon. Oh my gosh. The coverage is, I like it. I have a good feeling about this time around with this foundation. I'm gonna put a little bit more around my nose, my upper lip area. But so far, sis, we are off to a great start. Okay, Riri. Wow. Wow. And I'm breaking out around my mouth. I don't know why. Maybe because of all that shit I be talking. So next, I'm just gonna go in with a concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 30 Cafe. You already know the drill. I'm gonna let that marinate underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna go in and cream contour using my ColourPop No Filter concealer in Deep Dark 158. Excuse me, Fenty? Excuse the fuck out of me. Okay. Yo, listen, everything is blending on top so nicely. And the foundation, look at how it sets. B. I see why everybody's still writing you, because this foundation is immaculate. Look at me. Look at me. I look so good. I look so good. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera because I don't want this video to be 50 minutes long. So I'll catch you on the flip side. Never say that again, Cynthia. Nope. So I'm done. I'm gonna just say this. We are getting off to a fantabulous start. I don't remember this foundation having a scent, but it does, which I don't know if I should be scared or not because I don't remember it having a fragrance, and maybe that one has gone bad or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep this on my face for the rest of the day. We are gonna do a wear test. My face is looking all nice and schmoot. It's just looking so good right now. I am in love with this foundation thus far. I'm gonna come back at the end of the day to give you my final thoughts and opinions. But so far, so good, Rihanna. Before I go, I forgot to mention that it's currently 11:01, featuring my broken screen. Oh. Somebody yelling. It's currently 2:11. This is what I'm looking like. My foundation is looking real nice. We're not gonna look at my hair right now, but skin is looking real nice, real good, real dapper. I did eat, so my smile lines are a little bit, you know, showing. And look, I am currently breaking out around my mouth. I need to mind my business. I need to focus. Anyways, this is what I'm looking like. This Fenty Beauty foundation. It's so good. So good. So I put it on at 11, 12, 1, 2. So it's been 3 hours. We are still looking great. I'm loving the way I'm looking. I'm going to go inside and then update you. My eyebrows look so good. A little bit blocky today, but that's all right. They look good. But so far, so good with this foundation. I freaking love it. I don't know when I was doing the first time, I was clearly doing something wrong. So it's currently 8 o'clock. Okay, that's just my music. It's currently 8 o'clock. So I've had this foundation on for a total of 9 hours. So far, final verdict, I love this foundation. I haven't gotten oily around my nose since the summer. Even in the summer, I didn't get this oily. I mean, the foundation itself doesn't claim to be a mattifying foundation, so I don't expect to be completely dry. But around my mouth, I did crease as per usual. Still haven't found a foundation that doesn't make me crease around my mouth. I did take a nap, so the makeup around my eyes and stuff is just all wonky. But my highlighter, I added some more. We went out to eat, and I had to look A1. But final verdict, I freaking love this foundation. I guess as my skin is changing, it's just... it works different with certain foundations. I guess as I'm getting older, how my skin reacts with certain foundation is going to change as well. I'm probably going to go back to some of the foundations that I hated and try those out again. But I'm so glad I gave this one a second try because I freaking love it. This color matches me phenomenally. And like I said before, I like my foundation to be like one shade darker than me, so that way it gives me room to like highlight and contour and all that stuff. Because the foundation is my actual shade, it looks off in comparison to my neck. I don't know why, it just does. I can't explain that phenomenon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. And for love of makeup and all things girly, please subscribe and stay tuned for your girl's next video. Bye guys. Peace. Oh, that's so ugly. Public service announcement, if you have tuned in thus far. Your girl is starting a second channel. The name of that second channel is going to be my second channel because I'm not creative. I vlogged today, which was very interesting. I don't know how y'all vloggers do it. How do you find topics to talk about? I was literally just saying nonsense in my car, but whatever. Yeah, I'm just going to be vlogging and doing random, not beauty related videos on that channel because there's a lot of things that I want to try out and film at the same time, but I can't necessarily put them on this channel because this channel is more beauty related, like makeup and fashion, and not even hair. I can't even put hair videos on this channel because y'all don't care about hair. Y'all are here mostly for makeup, and hopefully y'all are gonna be into my try-on hauls that I'm about to start filming, but that's not the point. So if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe on over to that channel, I don't know when I'm gonna make those videos on that channel live, but I'm gonna keep vlogging. I'm gonna keep making videos for that channel, but when am I gonna make them live? I don't know. I honestly don't know. You don't have to subscribe to that channel. You can if you want to. You're not obligated to. Do you, sis? You're not going to hurt my feelings. I'm still going to keep making videos for that channel even if I have 2 subscribers. Videos for that channel just make me so happy, and I don't know. Anyways, that's the PSA. That's the PSA.